Hi everyone, today in this video we'll see class 5 mathematics rotation. Topic is rotation, exercise 1.2. The first one is among the following shapes find out which one would look the same. There should not be change in the shape of the figure of these following figures. After 1/4 of a turn, 1/4, 1/4 means quarter turn of a turn. We have to put a tick for the images which do not change their shapes even after turning 1/4. Now let us see. This is a full circle. If the object is like this, if you turn to your right side, it is 1/4. If you turn upside down, it is half turn. If you turn to the left, it is 3/4. And bring it to the same position, it is full turn. So we'll see. First, some given is the brinjal like. So I've drawn a brinjal here. This is the original position. It is looking upward. Now quarter turn means you should turn it to your right side. Just one right side. See how it changes? It changes the position, but the question is it should look the same. Does it look the same? No, it has changed. So this position becomes like this. So this is not the same. Now take this flower. Now we'll take a flower. See, keep like this and quarter turn 1/4. So this is 1/4. Just you have to turn towards the straight line. See, does the image changes? No, image is the same. So this does not change. So we have to put a tick. Now take a triangle. Next figure is they have given a triangle. Just like this and turn left. Quarter means you have to bring it straight to this line. You have to turn to your left. See, the figure changes like this. So this is changing. This doesn't look the same. Then take a circle. Quarter turn means we have to bring it straight to this line. Just turn to your right side. Turn to your right. Is there any change in the figure? No, it doesn't change. Circle doesn't change. So put a tick. Then there a house is given. The next is house. Keep it like this. The house is facing upward. So when you turn to your right side, the house has become like this. It has turned sideways. So the picture doesn't look the same. The picture changes. Now we take this. Next is given. This cross is given like this. So you just turn to your right. See, it is the same. No change in the picture. So this doesn't change. Then take this diamond is given. Diamond, turn to your right. Quarter turn means just one right side. You turn the figure to your right side. See, it looks the same. It looks the same. So there is no change. Then one more figure. Six-sided figure is given like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is called hexagon. When there are 6 sides, it is called hexagon. Now this is the arrow we have. Turn it to your right. Turn it to your right. See, the picture changes. So this changes. So these are the pictures. They do not change after quarter turn means quarter turn means. See, even in the exam we can't be drawing like this and rotate it. We cannot draw the figures and rotate. So you should understand quarter turn means if it is like this, you should turn to your right. You turn the figure like figure is straight. Then turn to your right and check how it changes. Okay, now this is I've done with the teaching aid just to make you understand it. Next one is among the following letters find out which one would look the same after half turn. So after half turn, now first one was quarter turn. Now it is half turn. The picture should look the same. The first one is what given X. So take the letter X. Half turn means you should change it upside down. Quarter turn, turn to your right. That's all. This is quarter turn. So half turn is you bring the top one. I'll put an arrow. This top, just for us to know. This top, but the bottom, and you have to turn top to bottom, bottom to turn. Turn it upside down. So this arrow is here now. This arrow should come down. That is the half turn. Putting it upside down. So how it does? Is there any change in X? X remains X itself. So there is no change in X. Put a tick. Now next letter is H. H will first put an arrow. So now half turn means turn it upside down. This is half turn. Turn it upside down. H is also the same. H does not change. H is H itself. So then take A. A, put an arrow. Then how do you change it? They change it upside down. Change it upside down. See, does it look the same? No, it doesn't look the same. So it is wrong. Now take the letter N. N, arrow here. Change it upside down. Half turn means you have to turn it upside down. N look the same. Same N we are getting. So put a tick for the N. Now take the letter B. Arrow here for us to, what is it? See the position. Now bring this arrow upside down. Half turn means upside down. Quarter turn means to the right. See, B, is it the same? No, B doesn't look the same. So put a wrong for B. Then take the letter O, 0, all this will remain the same. However you turn, whether quarter turn, half turn, 3/4 turn or full turn, they look the same. So turn it upside down, see it is the same O. So O is the same, there is no change in O. Next take the letter J. So put an arrow here. Now bring this arrow upside down here. Turn this upside down. Does it look the same? No, the figure changes. Now take the letter I, arrow here, this is 0, this is full rotation starting line, and half rotation means you should turn it upside down, it looks the same. Now take the letter D, mark an arrow and turn it upside down, does it look the same? No, it doesn't look the same, it changes. Now the letter S, this is S, arrow here. So half turn means upside down, so it looks the same. See, yes, it is same, yes, we are getting. So this is also same. Like this, so quarter turn means you should understand any figure. Quarter turn, just turn to the right and check how it changes. Half turn means turn it upside down and check. Now just like that, question number 3 is you have to take half turn for the numbers. Find the numbers which will look the same on a half turn. Previous sum it was with English alphabets, letters. Now we have to check with numbers. Now let us do it without this circle, we will try. Because half turn means you turn it upside down. Just imagine when you're turning one upside down. One is like this, you're turning upside down. Will there be any change? One will remain as one only, just like the letter I. 2, when you turn it upside down, how it will become? It will become like this, 2. When you turn it upside down, it becomes like this. So it changes. So this one changes. And 3, how it changes? Left side when you move, it will become like this. Upside down when you change, it becomes like this. So it changes. 4, when you turn it upside down, for example, you take 4. 4 is here. You turn it upside down. Is it the same? So it is not the same. Even 5, it will change its position like this. 5 will become like this. 5, how it will become? It will become upside down like this. Not like this, I'm sorry. Like this, it will become upside down like this, upside down. O, will it change? Just now we saw for the letter O. Same way, O will not change even after when you turn it upside down. 8, when you turn it upside down, for example, you take 8, we'll make this as 8. 8, 3, we'll make it as 8. Turn it upside down, you turn it upside down. Is there any change? No, 8 doesn't change. So out of the numbers, after half turn means turning upside down. Which are not changing? 1 is not changing, 0 is not changing, 8 is not changing. Now just like that we have given some letters here. Numbers are together. Here we add one number. Here some 3-4 numbers are given together. How the following numbers are changed after half turn. So it is half turn. Half turn means again changing upside down. Just now we saw in the previous sum only. 8 will not change. So this will be the same. It will look the same. 8, 8, 8, 8. No change in 8. Even we have seen here in the previous sum. 1 is not changing, 0 is not changing after half turn. Even if you turn upside down, 1 remains as 1 only, 0 remains as 1 only. So this number will look the same. Now same 1. There is no change in 1. All the 5 ones we look at. If you want, what you can do is an activity for you. You can write the numbers and rotate it and check whether we are getting the same shapes. So 8, 0, 8, 0, 8. Among the letters I, O, H, O will never change at all for any rotation among the alphabets. And among the numbers which are not changing their position after that half turn is 1, 0 and 8. 1, 0, 8 will not change after half turn among the numbers from 0 to 9. So all these numbers will look the same. Now next is here it is 1/6 of a turn now. And in the next page in the practice we have triangle and one star and figure like this. We have to write 1/3 of a turn, 1/3 of a turn and 1/6 of a turn. So for that, first one is a triangle. We'll take the triangle. 1/3, this is 0, this is 1/6 of a turn, this is 1/3 of a turn. So what do we do? Keep the figure triangle. 1/3, you rotate 1/3. So bring this arrow straight to this 1/3 line. Bring this arrow straight to 1/3 line. What happens? The triangle remains the same. There is no change in the triangle. So after 1/3 turn, the figure look the same. It is the same triangle. Now next is given 1/6 of a turn. Next is 1/6. So we'll turn it 1/6 and see. Keep this is the triangle. Given figure is this. turn it 1/6. 1/6 means here is the 1/6 line. Turn it straight to 1/6. What happens? It becomes the triangle, changes its position like this. 1/6 of a turn is this way. So it changes like this. How it changes? It changes like this. So this is the changed figure of 1/6 turn. Now we'll take a star. Next figure is given the star. First we have to see 1/3 where I put an arrow here. So it is 1/3. 1/3 means where here is the line 1/3. So bring it straight to 1/3. Look, there is no change in the star. It is the same star. Now turn it 1/6. It is like this. Turn it 1/6. 1/6 also it is the same. 1/6, see, the same star is here. Then turn it 1/3. There is no change in the position of the star. Then you are given a figure like this. One picture is given like this. So what is it? First test we have to do 1/6 of a turn. So we'll have an arrow here. That is 1/6 is here. So when you bring it to 1/6, it changes like this. The line faces up. For previously it was the gap facing the initial line. Now when you bring this arrow straight to 1/6, this is the line facing. So we are getting the figure in a different way. Then you turn it to 1/3. Next is 1/3 line is here. Bring it to 1/3. Bring it to 1/3. See how it changes. The line, it is becoming slanting like this. So it changes for 1/3 and 1/6. But actually this is the same. Here it was like this. Now 1/6 it becomes like this. And 1/3 the position is this. So with this rotation exercise is over. The next sums we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.